Hi friends, welcome back to Tiffin Tales. Today we are going to make Gajar ka Halwa or purple carrot pudding. It's a winter specialty of the Awadhi cuisine. For the halwa we will need half kg of purple carrots, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, about 4 tablespoons of sugar, about half a cup of khoya or mawa, lots of dry fruit and about 1 cup of milk. Let's begin. First, peel and grate the carrots, but be very careful and wear gloves, otherwise your fingers will turn purple. First, we'll add ghee in a pan. No halwa is complete without ghee. In this go our grated carrots. The carrots have started wilting. We'll just add a splash of milk. We'll let it simmer till the milk has evaporated. This is done. Now we'll add sugar. Did you know that purple carrots are far more healthier than normal carrots? Now we'll cook it till all the liquid evaporates. Keep stirring it in between so it doesn't stick to the bottom. There's no moisture left in the pan now. The sugar and carrots have cooked through. We'll add khoya, this is done. Time for our dry fruits. I'm adding half a cup of almonds and half a cup of cashews. There it is. My super yummy, super easy, super healthy and super unique Gajar ka halwa. Time to try it. It's amazing. Do include it in your Holi menu. Happy Holi! Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.